Hey, so my name is Rupesh and I am head HR for a cement manufacturing company. And I had an opportunity to go through a 6 days program. I must say that it was amazing, very engaging, and also very fruitful as well. Many techniques you can learn through this program. Few techniques which I really liked from HR perspective. You can discuss with employees and also with the managers to understand their problems in a better way. Peak performance, which any manager or HR would always love to master and understand, which can put employee in a peak performance stage. One more thing which was pretty good and useful for HR, especially in appraisal discussions or in interviews, which will help you to relate with your requirement and also with the candidate what they find. So if you get an opportunity to meet Abhay and go through his program, please don't miss it. It is actually very effective and good for you. Thank you.